Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel How To Guide. In this tutorial, we are gonna look at how to change the font style in Line Desktop. Now let us begin. Do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not done it, do it right now. The process is quite easy. Now let us simply try to change the font style. Initially, what you guys have to do is simply go to settings. At the bottom left, just below notification, you will see these three dots. Click on it right now. Once you guys do that, once again, let's click on settings. And guys, this is it. Once you click on it, this thing will pop up right from there. And as you guys can see, initially you will be in the basic tab. And denote that this is the tab you guys should stay in. And right here, you can change the language from this interface right from this place. And denote, just below it is the thing we are looking for. That is font. Click on the drop down associated with it. Now select the font of your choice. I'm gonna select this one right here. Once you do that, it's gonna ask for a restart. Simply click on the restart button right now. And this is it guys. As you guys can see, the font style has been changed. Well guys, that is it. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.